stopped out. Okay, we can continue on. Up, starting the weave. Possible, we don't know. The market it could start weaving here. So again, this is where we have to watch out. If we're going to use this area here as an entry, we need to make sure that it's outside of the moving average. We've got another entry over here that looks like it'll be outside. And we have to really be careful over here to note this is not a hand in here. Okay? It's not a hand. We have one hand at the bottom. Here, one hand at the top. Market's possibly starting a weave. And look at that. It does. Now look, remember, pay attention to the difference. Remember back here, market didn't really weave a whole lot, but now look at how much smaller these days are. That's the difference. Big bars, no weave. Small bars, it weaves. So we're waiting for that to get underway. But we also see we're developing hands here. All right? We have hands on either side. Boom. Are the hands above the moving average? Absolutely. Both of them. Could you have a position on both of these? Yes, absolutely. Oh, stopped out. Oh, how many of you went, oh, just like we did in the live event, right? That can happen. That's okay. It's absolutely okay. Remember, market's trend plus, you pulled out 1,500 pips over here. And these are small positions. Small positions. Now, some of you might be saying, well, yeah, but we had one entry here and one entry here. Doesn't that mean that we would have two positions on, so the second position is always a big one? Well, remember, don't put the market in a box. Don't put your technique in a box. Would it be safe to say that, let's back up, that there's a big difference between the moving averages here and the moving averages over here? Let me ask that again. Look at the moving averages here. Okay, you've got, they look like this. Don't they look a bit different than they do over here? Okay, this move is quite obviously underway, isn't it? The market's making higher highs. You can see that there's an obvious trending period. What is this? Coming just out of the weave. Would it be prudent then to wait until the market's underway before adding on that stuff? Yeah, and that's what I talked about at the event, is waiting until the market's underway, not just having this thing which says my second position is always a big one. Okay? Watch out for that. Watch out for that. So, bang, market moves up. Did we not have a hand over here? Yes. But the question is, because price went back down underneath these hands, should we use those as entries again? The answer is, well, I haven't tested that in a lot of detail. Okay? My gut would say I would use this one, not this one. All right? Now again, what about this hand? Is that not a hand? Absolutely. Is it outside of the moving average? Sure. Could you have gone short there? Yeah. Would you have gotten whipsawed? Absolutely. Remember though, that's aggressive trading. You're going to take more trades. So we're underway again with possibly two entries, one here, one here. Look at that. Current trading. Current trading. So just like in the pound, we're waiting for possible hand right there. Okay? Move is underway. But just, keep in mind that it's not as big as it was over here. I mean, look how much further apart these moving averages got. So this move was really aggressive. Also notice, though, how even with that aggressiveness, there were only a couple of times where